Here we are again at Lennox Automotive in Thomastown, and today we have this beautiful 2011 ML350 CDI Grand Edition to show you. This is a beautiful example of the W164 ML in very good condition with 20-inch wheels as part of the Grand Edition package. It does have the Bi-xenon headlights as part of the package, as you can see, in immaculate condition. Beautiful car. Let's have a look at all around it. Running lights. It does also have the lane change assist, which lets you know if a car's in your blind spot. We'll show you that later. Sunroof, as you would expect. Factory side steps. There's those 20-inch wheels. Beautiful. Now this is a great family SUV, and for the price, under 20 grand, you couldn't really do much better. There's the factory Towbar. The 350 CDI is a diesel motor, very economical yet very powerful. This one does have the auto tailgate assist. Let's have a look inside. There's the rear blind. That's great to have. Beautiful interior. And let's use that auto tailgate. There he goes. Okay, let's have a look at this side. LED tail lights. Again, not a mark that can be really seen on the Grand Edition. There it is there. Let's have a look at the back. Beautiful interior. Grand Edition highlights. Fine wood. Look at those seats. As new. You'll notice over there the AMG sports pedals. It's got SATNAV. And there's that beautiful sunroof. Let's have a look on the front. There you go. Again, beautifully presented. Mercedes-Benz entrance sills. Electric front seats. Again, look at the condition of these. Beautiful contrasting interior colors. No wear on the center console. And this steering wheel is a unique one actually. See the flat bottom design? Very nice. As you can see, custom door Grand Edition design on here. Electric seats. Let's jump inside. Start her up. As you can see, it's got paddle shift, cruise control obviously. There's that steering wheel, which is quite nice, very chunky, very nice feel to it, perforated with like an ego grip, and the flat bottom, very nice. The volume down, got SATNAV, telephone, climate control auto, dual zone. This one does have heated front seats, and winter is coming, so that's a great addition, again, out of the package. Beautiful interior. It does have a reverse camera. Let's put that on. There you go, nice and clear. And does also have the blind spot assist, as you will see right there, with a triangle that turns on when there's a car in your blind spot. So a beautiful car, Bi-xenon headlights, 20-inch wheels, blind spot assist, heated front seats, rear tailgate, auto assist. Amazing interior in amazing condition. For under 20 grand, you won't get much better than this. So this beautiful ML family SUV can be yours for under 20 grand. It's a steal in this condition, and for a grand edition. Beautiful car.